Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation, plus, minus, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out which answer is correct. In the answer list we have four answers. A is 15, B is 5, C is 10 and D is 20. So let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now just recall that what are the rules which we can apply to solve the given expression. As you can see on the screen, we have two methods we will discuss here, which is word mass and PAMDAS. And these rules are basically used to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number and exponent part. Step number 3 is basically you have to see the division and multiplication. First of all, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. If division is coming first, so you have to solve the division first. And if multiplication is coming first, so you have to solve the multiplication first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have the same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first, and we can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move forward to solve the given expression. As you can see, according to the rules, what mass and PAMDAS, first of all, you have to see the bracket. So here we will solve first bracket first, which is 5 multiplied by 2. So we will write this part as it is and find out 5 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 10. And other parts I am writing as it is, because I will solve each step in each line. 5 multiplied by 2 equals to 10. Now move forward to solve the second bracket, which is this one. So we will solve this one, which is 8 multiplied by 2. Sorry, 8 divided by 2. So what we will do, we will write 30 divided by 10 plus 6 minus, and 8 divided by 2 equals to 4. We will write after solve this bracket. Now we will write, give the reference 8 divided by 2 equals to 4. Now we do not have any bracket right now, and also we do not have any power in our expression. So we will skip this step and now we will solve division and multiplication. So what we will do, we will go left to right in our expression and find out division and multiplication. So this is our division. So we will solve this one. 30 divided by 10 equals to 3. And plus 6 minus 4 we will write as it is. And here we will give the reference 30 divided by 10 equals to 3. Now we have here, we will go again left to right and find out addition and subtraction. So here we have two terms which are adding each other. So 3 plus 6 equals to 9 minus 2, right as it is. And here we will give the reference 3 plus 6 equals to 9. Then, so we will get the answer is 5. So the answer of the given expression is 5. I hope like if you see the answer list, so answer B is the correct answer. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these types of quizzes from my channel. We will meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.